Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss World 2026. Magandang araw Pilipinas, ngayon po muli nating mapapanood ang pool performance ni Asia Rose Simpson, ang ating Miss World Philippines 2026 at para sa Miss World 2026 competition. Let's watch this.
Asia Rose Simpson, City of Stars, Quezon City.
Your judge is Lily Tangan Ko Lee.
This is your question. Do you believe social media has helped or hurt society?
Mental health issues are on the rise. 1 in 7 children worldwide experience mental health disorders. And the World Health Organization relays that 80% of adolescents don't meet the recommended levels of activity. That's where SEED initiative comes in, my sports and dance initiative that specifically advocates for the physical, mental, and emotional health of today's youth. Social media, while it can have so many benefits, it helps us all promote different businesses and organizations that helps us succeed. However, I think it is also being used as a crutch for our creativity, for our social skills. So let's use social media responsibly. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Quezon City.
Well done, Quezon City.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nawa, patuloy po nating suportahan ang ating pambato ng Pilipinas for Miss World 2026 competition. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at updates. Magkita po tayo muli sa susunod na video.